Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Tacoma rear window. First, gather all your essential tools, including a utility knife, a caulking gun, and a strong adhesive sealant. Make sure you have your new rear window ready, along with any new trim or weather stripping you might need. Preparing your workspace properly ensures a smoother and safer replacement process. This initial setup is crucial for a successful repair. Now, let's move on to removing the old window. Begin by carefully detaching the interior trim panels that surround the rear window. These are often held by clips or screws. Next, use a utility knife to cut through the old urethane sealant from both the inside and outside of the truck. Once the sealant is cut, have a friend assist you in gently pushing out and removing the old glass. Safety first. With the old window out, it's time for the new installation. First, meticulously clean the window frame, removing any old sealant or debris. This ensures a strong bond. Next, apply a continuous, even bead of fresh urethane sealant around the perimeter of the window opening. With a helper, carefully lower the new rear window into position, pressing it firmly into the sealant. Ensure it's centered and flush. To finish up, reinstall all the interior trim panels you removed earlier, securing them properly. It's vital to allow the urethane sealant to cure completely, which typically takes at least 24 hours. Avoid driving or washing your truck during this time to ensure a strong, watertight seal. For more details and other great deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the links in the description below. Your new window is now ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.